StreetHawk has a cool capability called custom audiences, and that relates to Facebook custom audiences. So it's really common for mobile app developers to actually acquire new users and re-engage existing users using Facebook. And we make that really simple for you. So here is our segment diagram. So you have different guys like zombies and newbies and power users and power femmes and so on. So these segments can now potentially be used to power your re-engagement and your new user acquisition campaigns. So let's have a look at custom audiences. So let's say what I want to do is re-engage an existing group of users inside my app. So here we have the churning users. I could typically use email retargeting, or I could do push notifications, but here what I can do is actually say, okay, my churning users, what I'd like to do is retarget them inside Facebook. And so I might do re-engagement of churning, if I can spell. And I can save that away, and what happens is StreetHawk syncs into Facebook every day, synchronizes the churning user group, so you can run re-engagement campaigns, set and forget, inside Facebook, and away you go. StreetHawk looks after the synchronization, so you don't have to muck around with demographics or anything like that. The second part of that is getting new users. So if we open up a ability to create a new custom audience, and let's just say my power femmes, what I'd like to do is actually go out and get more users that are matching the demographic or the similar characteristics that Facebook has. So Facebook has this concept called lookalike acquisition, and so by synchronizing power femmes through to a Facebook custom audience, you can then run acquisition campaigns to get the users that are actually valuable. So I just set this up and say it's a lookalike audience and get more engaged females, save that and synchronize away. The logic behind this is, if I go back to the segment, is of course what I want to do is actually get more users that look like this. High value, very engaged users, not these zombies. So you don't have to worry about figuring out your demographics. StreetHawk's actually figured out which are the valuable segments. And of course you can add specific segments. So if you want to target, car lovers between 20 to 30, then you can do that particular stuff if that's already inside your app. With StreetHawk, the way you can actually retarget inside Facebook is by having their Facebook ID, by having their email address, or by having the app advertiser ID, what's commonly known in Apple as IDFA. So you've got a couple of different things. If that information is inside StreetHawk, then that synchronization happens automatically. So very powerful stuff, very good for you to get new users that are valuable and to re-engage existing users that have been churning, and gives you another option other than sending email campaigns or push campaigns out to the users. So there's one extra way to re-engage your existing users. That's it for now.